Hi there, it's Dr. Mark. If you or your child just had a Hyrax expander placed, congratulations. This is an important step in creating the space needed for a healthy smile. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what the expander does, how to use it, what to expect, and what to do if something doesn't feel right. Let's start with the basics. The Hyrax expander is a small device that's attached to the upper teeth. Its job is to gently widen the upper jaw so that your teeth have more room to fit properly. Each time you turn the key that we provide to you, the expander slightly widens. It might sound a bit intimidating, but please don't worry. It works gradually and safely, and most patients, they adjust quite quickly. Now that you know what the expander is doing, let's talk about how to use the key. Turning the expander with the key is simple once you've done it a couple of times. Here's the step-by-step process. First, you're going to wash your hands. Easy, right? Next, place the key into the small hole in the middle of the expander. Then, push the key back towards the throat until it stops. You might hear or feel a click, and that's exactly what we want. And finally, carefully remove the key by sliding it straight out. Follow the specific instructions we've given you for how often to turn it. For most patients, that's going to be one turn either every day or every other day. But always please stick to your personalized plan. Now let's go over what you might notice once you're turning the expander. When you make a turn, it is normal to feel some pressure between your front teeth. It's normal to feel some pressure in the upper jaw, by your nose, and even by the temples of your head. Sometimes you'll even notice a small gap may appear between your front teeth, and that is a telltale sign that the expander is doing its job. If you feel sore, stick to softer foods for a bit and rinse with warm salt water. The pressure usually fades within the first few minutes, and most patients say that they get used to it quickly. Of course, sometimes things don't go as planned, so let's cover what to do in case of an emergency. Most people do great with their expander, but here are a few things to watch for. If part of the expander feels rough or pokes your cheeks or your tongue, cover it with some orthodontic wax. If the expander feels loose or the screw won't turn, stop, call us right away. We don't want you to force it. If soreness doesn't go away or becomes painful, please reach out so that we can check it. And if a piece of wax or part of the expander comes loose and you swallow it, it's usually not a problem, but please give us a call just to be safe. Most of the time, a little wax or a quick comfort visit will take care of the issue. One thing that can make the routine easier is setting a reminder. Some families, they use an alarm on their phone, and others even make a little song out of it. Find something that works for you, and turning that expander will become a part of your daily rhythm in no time. The expander appliance, it's an important step in creating space for a healthy bite and confident smile. Once you're in the routine, it becomes second nature. And remember, we're always just a phone call, text, or email away if you have any questions. I'm so glad you're taking this step, and I can't wait to see your smile develop.